The topic of today's video is how to add a passkey to Coinbase. So the first thing you want to do is click on the hamburger icon on the top left. Then you're going to click on your profile name. Alright, so this section won't show, but what you want to do is go to change security settings. Just scroll down till you see it. Then you're going to see Add Passkey. Click on that. That's going to open up your browser. And in here you want to click continue. And then they're going to send you a 6-digit code and you just need to type that in. They'll send it via SMS. Next screen, you want to click continue and then you're going to place your fingerprint. And that will be it. Your passkey will be set up once you've put on your fingerprint. Just hit continue and you are done. Thank you so much for watching. You can jump back to Coinbase now. Don't forget to like and subscribe while you're at it, and I'll see you in the next video.